This is going to be a tutorial on how to set up an auto reply for your Gmail account. First thing you have to do is log into your Gmail account. This happens to be my backup Gmail account. Then you will go over to Settings, click on Settings, then you will click on See All Settings. From here you will scroll down to where you see it says Vacation Responder. You want to turn that on. Down below that it says first day. That means when you want to start the auto replies. And if you check this box over here, that would be if you only want to temporarily have the auto replier on. In the subject field, you type the title of the reply that you want. I'm going to write, "Thanks. I'll be in touch soon." And down here in the message field, you'll type what you want the message to read. Something such as, "Thanks for reaching out. Thanks for reaching out. I'll be in touch soon." And down below that, it says only send a response to people in my contacts. If you check this, it will only send an auto reply to people that are in your contacts. And then all you do is click Save Changes, and then you'll have a auto reply set up for your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.